Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to add manager in your YouTube channel. So now I'm in your studio of my YouTube channel. First you need to go on your channel setting. Click on setting. And in the left side you will see a lot of options. First you need to click on this permissions. And here in the top right side of the corner, this pop-up box, you will see invite. Click on this invite. And here in the email box, you need to enter your manager's email address. Make sure please you only enter your manager's Gmail address. If you enter your manager's any other business email address, this doesn't work here. And next is the access. Here you need to click on this and select managers. And after that, if you fill all these two details, and last you need to click on this done button. And if you this do successfully correctly, then your managers will receive email like this. And here you will see accept invitation button. He just need to click on this invitation button. So if he didn't see this email on primary tab, he need to check on social tab, because mostly this email comes in the social tab of Gmail. So I hope you understood how to add manager on your YouTube channel. Thank you.